Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S10. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject a SD memory card on the Galaxy S10. So first things we're going to want to do is go ahead and locate your memory card. And once you have that located, we will be looking for our SIM eject tool. If you have the original packaging, it is with the manuals. And if you don't, anything like a paper clip, a pin, a needle, anything like that will work. So if you go ahead and get that out, you will be needing anything sharp and thin that'll fit inside the hole on the SIM tray. So the SIM tray is located on the top of the device. As you slide your phone up on its side, you will notice there are two holes. There's those two right there. The one we're looking for has the SIM tray outline. So go ahead and select that one. We'll take your pin and stick it in that hole. Once it's in the hole, go ahead and press. You will feel the SIM tray slide out. The SIM tray does have a water resistant gasket on there, so you do want to be careful with that. You don't want to damage that. And once you have your device open, you can go ahead and lay the SD memory card in the tray. As you guys can see that the lineouts are the same. Go ahead and line them up the same way with this and this lining up in the same place. Once those are in place, go ahead, slide those together. So just like that, it is in place now. It does have a somewhat of a snug fit, which is always good. And then once when you're replacing the SIM tray, make sure you line up the hole on the SIM tray with the hole in the device, just to make sure that you're lining it up properly and putting it in right. So just like that, you have your SD card installed on the Galaxy S10. And if you want to, you're gonna have to format it if it hasn't been formatted already. And then if you want to go ahead and remove the card, if you have it on your device, same thing, find your SIM eject tool, go up here in the top corner, press on the hole for the SIM tray to eject, and just like that, your memory card is taken out. Once the memory card is taken out, go ahead and replace it. And just like that, you have inserted and taken out the SD memory card on a Samsung Galaxy S10. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.